ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਪੂਰਾ। ਉੱਤੇ ਕੈਂਡਲ ਲਗਾ ਲਈ ਕੱਲੀ।
This is today's outfit. Ow. Ow. Above this, I'm wearing this poncho. This is the outfit. I think I'll do like black shoes. I don't know which ones though. I did different earrings. Feel like a butterfly. Looking like a butterfly.
It has to stay on it.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing great. Actually, for the last few days, I have been doing some work. It's a bit slower right now. It's always slow. I feel like that because all the stuff that takes a lot of time, I just have to think about a lot of stuff to do that. So slow is good, better than nothing at all. Yeah. By the way, the video that I talked to you guys about in the last video, that I told myself it's okay if I'm not able to do it. Guess what? I was not able to do it. I mean, I don't know if I should push myself to the limit or just take it easy a little bit. It's a huge dilemma for me. So I actually told you guys I've been working on some stuff, but other than that, I did finish that book, PS from Paris, and I just finished it today, by the way. I was actually listening. I have been listening to 2 audiobooks. PS from Paris, and there's this other one. The one that's my new obsession. It is Lights Out. Yeah, that Lights Out. I have been loving this book, and I mean, Josh is so funny. I don't know, it has me laughing in the middle of. I've been listening to the audiobook. It has me laughing in the middle of the audiobook. It's so crazy. I don't know if you guys will find it funny, but I did. So I just wanna share that experience with you guys. By the way, this is a part in the book where Josh is trying to talk to Ali, and earlier he has not revealed his identity yet, so he's been talking through a voice modulator. So this is a conversation he's having in his head, like most of us do. I mean, at least I do. And I just want to play it.
The sound of my voice brought me up short. My unmodulated voice. Shit. In my haste to leave the apartment, I'd forgotten the modulator was stitched into my mask. What a rookie move. I wasn't going back to get it. I had a few minutes. How's this? I asked a purring Fred, dropping my voice as low as I comfortably could. I am Batman. The The sound of my voice brought me up short.
I mean, the I am Batman and his Batman impressions throughout the whole book is like so funny. I don't know what even. So, I have been listening to this and I've been like dragging it out. I can finish it in one go, but I've been like dragging it out, so I just don't want it to finish sooner. And there's also this other book that I read on my Kindle. So I've been like listening to two audiobooks and I read a book on Kindle. It's a series. And right now I'm reading like the second part for that. The first one in the series was Wow to Me. And it's like a mafia romance book, and it was like a good book, a bit slow in like some areas, but I really did like the kidnapping and everything part. It was like pretty interesting. I did like that one. And the female main character is like not a damsel in distress, so it's better that way. I think I've been reading a lot about like many female characters that are not like waiting for somebody to come and save them, so I did like that book. And right now I'm reading like the second part of this book. It's called Run to Me, and it is going great so far. I didn't read yesterday. I did read like started reading it day before, and I think I will read it right now after I record this stuff. And what else? You guys might have seen me. I started watching this new series. It's called Connect. So I really want to talk about it. It is like an old series. It's nowhere new, but I just like got a recommendation for it or something a few years back on my Instagram, and I had it saved like there for quite some time. And the concept is, I don't know, like how it. I think I've seen like 3 episodes. There are 6 episodes, and it's on Disney Hotstar and now Geo Hotstar. I really don't know. So it is about like a person who has like a weird body or something. He's kidnapped for organ trafficking, and when they cut him open, his body is like weird. I don't know. Is it some alien? Is it something else? I have really no clue. But his body like reattaches itself together, but in the haste of getting out of that place, he loses an eye, and that eye is transplanted into a person, and he gets like visions. And there's also like this another storyline that goes on in like the first few minutes of the series, is that there is a killer who is into corpse art, and for his corpse art he unalives a person, and then he like make a plaster something out of it, and it's like you guys have seen the statues in Italy. It just like looks like that, and it's like a work of art. It's a bit weird. I thought like Cabinet of Curiosities was weird, but this is even more deranged. I don't know why I like to watch stuff like this. It just like relaxes me a lot. So I have no explanation for this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this crazy rant that had nothing to do with anything at all, because also like I did not record a lot of stuff this week. I don't know what I was doing really. I really have no clue what to do anyway. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.